Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Smart Learning Pod. I'm so excited to be here today.
Hi, friends. I'm David, and I'm really happy you joined us. Today, we're talking about something very useful: how to take spoken English classes and improve your English naturally.
Yes, many learners think I just need to join a class and I'll speak English magically, but it's not that simple.
That's right. Spoken English classes are not about perfection. They're about speaking, practicing, enjoying, and learning from mistakes.
Today, we'll share real stories, everyday tips, and fun examples that will help you speak English like a pro, step by step.
Imagine you're sitting with us, having tea or coffee, chatting like friends. Relax, smile, and enjoy this episode.
And remember, mistakes are normal. They show that you're learning, improving, and growing.
So friends, let's start today's episode and have fun while learning.
So, David, I have to tell you something funny from my English class yesterday.
Oh no, I'm ready. What happened?
The teacher asked me a simple question about my weekend, and I completely mixed up my words. I said, yesterday I go. No, I went school yesterday.
Oh wow. But Lisa, that's exactly how learning happens. What did the teacher say?
She just smiled and said, "It's okay, Lisa, try again." And I said it correctly the second time.
That's perfect. Friends, the first rule of spoken English classes: don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes are normal and even funny.
Exactly. And sometimes the funniest part is when you remember your mistake later at home and laugh at yourself. Small victories matter.
I remember my first English class. I was so nervous that I didn't say a single word. Then I forced myself to speak one sentence, and everyone smiled. That tiny moment gave me confidence.
That's the magic, friends. Courage is more important than grammar in the beginning.
Yes, and friends, every mistake is a lesson. The more you speak, the better you get. Even small sentences count.
Totally. And don't forget, when you try sentences outside class, even talking to yourself for a few minutes makes a huge difference.
All right, Lisa, now it's time for some practical tips. The first tip is participate actively in your class. Don't just sit silently. Speak as much as you can, even one sentence at a time.
Yes, I always tell my students, don't wait to be perfect. Just try. Even if your sentence isn't perfect, the teacher and classmates will understand, and you'll learn faster.
Tip 2, practice outside the class every day. You can talk to yourself about simple things. For example, I am making breakfast. I am pouring coffee. I am reading a book. It might feel a little funny at first, but it works.
Exactly. And here's tip 3. Choose the right class for you. Some people love big groups. It's exciting to talk in front of many students. Others prefer one-on-one classes. It feels safer and easier to speak.
Tip 4, shadow your teacher. Listen carefully when the teacher says a sentence, then repeat it with the same tone and rhythm. It improves your pronunciation naturally.
Tip 5. Make learning fun. Don't just answer questions. Use role plays, mini games, or talk about topics you enjoy. Enjoyment helps your brain remember better.
Tip 6, use small daily routines for practice. For example, while cooking, describe what you do in English. I am chopping onions. I am stirring the soup. I am adding salt. These small steps make a huge difference over time.
Tip 7. Celebrate small victories. Every time you say a sentence correctly after failing before, feel proud. Even small successes build big confidence.
And one last tip, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Focus on your progress, not perfection.
David, how do you practice English in your daily life?
Oh, I do it everywhere. When I make breakfast, I describe everything I do. I am pouring milk. I am stirring the eggs. I am eating toast.
That's so good. I do the same while cleaning. I am washing the dishes, I am putting them on the rack, I am wiping the table. Sometimes I feel a little silly, but it really helps.
And friends, you can practice while walking outside too. Look around and describe things in English. The sky is blue, birds are singing, the flowers are colorful. It trains your mind to think in English.
I also talk to myself while cooking. Yesterday, I said, I am chopping onions. Oh no, they are making me cry. I need to add a little salt. It's fun and practical.
Yes, and even texting in English counts. Chat with a friend for 5 to 10 minutes. Small daily practices are more effective than long sessions once in a while.
Another idea, narrate your day in English. Before going to bed, say, today I woke up at 7. I had coffee. I went for a walk. I listened to an English podcast.
Exactly. And you can even make mini role plays at home. Pretend you're at a cafe or a store, ask questions, and answer them yourself.
Friends, the key is consistency. Even 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Daily life is full of opportunities to practice English. Just grab them.
And don't worry about mistakes. Smile and keep going. Your brain will slowly start thinking in English and speaking will feel natural.
Totally. The more you involve English in your daily life, the faster you improve. Friends, make it fun, make it real, and practice everywhere.
All right, Lisa, now it's your turn to practice with us. Don't be shy. Speak out loud and enjoy.
First question from a teacher. What did you do yesterday?
You can answer, yesterday, I went to the park and walked with my friend.
Pause for a moment. Now you try it out loud. Great!
Next question. What's your favorite hobby?
You can say, my favorite hobby is reading books and listening to music.
Excellent. Friends, repeat these sentences several times today. You can even add more details. For example, I went to the park yesterday. I saw children playing. I enjoyed the sunshine.
Another practice. Pretend you're ordering food in a cafe. Say, can I have a coffee, please? Then add, yes, I'd like milk, but no sugar.
Friends, the more you repeat these sentences, the more confident you become. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak.
And one more tip. Record your voice while practicing. Listen later, smile at your mistakes, and try again. You'll notice improvement every day.
That's right. Short daily practice is the fastest way to improve your spoken English. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day makes a huge difference.
Friends, now it's your turn. Take these examples, speak them out loud, and enjoy practicing English every day.
Lisa, today we learned something very important. Taking spoken English classes is not about perfection. It's about speaking, trying, enjoying, and practicing every day.
Yes, mistakes are normal. Small steps matter. Every time you speak, even one sentence, you improve. Friends, courage and consistency are the keys.
Remember, even 5 to 10 minutes of daily practice can make a huge difference. Use your daily life, cooking, walking, chatting, as opportunities to practice English.
And most importantly, smile while you speak. Smiling makes your English sound friendly, confident, and natural.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We're proud of you for listening, learning, and practicing with us.
Keep going, friends. You are stronger and more capable than you think. Speak English every day, laugh at your mistakes, and enjoy the journey.
See you in the next episode of Smart Learning Pod. Bye-bye.